adaptTo is the place where once per year in Berlin, all the masterminds around AEM meet and get together to connect, to collaborate, and to network.
adaptTo is a great conference for the technical experts, developers, architects, those who really delve into the materials and want to know how it's all built together.
adaptTo is so special because it's last man standing. 10 years ago, there were several similar formats, but they all vanished. But adaptTo made it like till 2011, almost every year, always in Berlin, to get the people together, and that's unique.
I like the size. It's not too big, not too small. It's fantastically well organized. Great food, as I was saying, great vibe, great content. It's a great conference for me, every time.
I like most about this conference, it's pure tech focus. It's no marketing blah blah, just tech people and tech topics.
So adaptTo is special because we get to talk directly to AEM developers who are using our product on a day-to-day basis, hear from them and actually understand the challenges that they are facing.
What makes adaptTo such a special event for me is that you get to meet up with the people that you always saw online in those Git commits and open source contributions. Here you see them in real life, so you get to chat with them, you get to network them. It's really nice to meet up with all those people.
adaptTo is important to me because it gives me a chance to showcase the work that I've done over the year, and it also sitting at the table then afterwards discussing with the people about the presentation gives us valuable input on what we should be working next.
I choose to come to the adaptTo because it's the only conference about the Adobe Experience Manager, and it's really great to meet people in person.
For diva-e, it's an honor to organize adaptTo. It's the one and only European AEM developer conference, so be part of it for us is crucial. We want that like our developer, our people learn from the best, and that's what's happening at adaptTo.